Dmitry Orlov, that's blocked in front. A hit on Goodrow, and Necas got a stick on Goodrow and wondered why there was no penalty. Necas puts it in front, couple of saves.
Goodrow's down on the ice. He's trying to make a play. He gets hit in the face with his stick as Necas is trying to get the puck.
To go here in the first period. Shea trying to clear it. It was blocked by Lafreniere. He took a hit.
Clear it out of the way. And then here's what happened. Yes, it was a follow-through by Brady Shea. Even though Lafreniere got hit, and he said something to the referee. He thought there should have been a call. And then he and Svechnikov get in the middle of things. That was fortuitously ended up in front of him, and he just happened to find it.
That puck cleared out of play, goes into the bench.
That's, that's Carolina hockey. And then Trocheck now is, he's saying, I got it right off the face-off. So
fans are reacting to, Kotkaniemi. Wow. And the fans who just saw that on the video board reacting. Trocheck was on the previous shift with Lafreniere.
now Miller, 79 in front.
Ooh.
There's the play. And when they came together, he started going down. Aho got his stick was at about waist high and
Blocked by Miller. Necas takes a hit from Trouba.
And gets a stick up high on Trouba. That'll be a penalty. Necas will go for high sticking, I believe.
Necas, high sticking call.
Right there. Gets him right in the chin. So Necas goes off and be a good